What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can put your video as a TikTok profile photo. So basically there's two photos there's two options. One is a photo and the other is a video. And let me teach you guys how you guys can put a video as your profile picture on your TikTok. Well, to put a picture as a profile picture is easy, but to put a video, it's a bit different. And remember, you can only put a 6-second long video, alright? You can't put a 1-minute long video as a profile picture, alright? So let me show you guys how we guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's get on with the video. First step, you open your TikTok, log in into your account, and click on where it says profile at the bottom right corner. And where it says edit profile, you want to click on it. Once you're over here where it says change video, you want to click on it. Once you click on it, you want to choose which video you want to upload from your phone. So let's say I want to upload this video from my phone, which is like, the 8-second one. I can click on it and it shows me to select at least 6 seconds. So you can select 6 seconds of whichever part of the video you like. And at the top, there's the save button. Click on save. Wait for some time. It's processing. It's the time taking for TikTok to upload this video. And as you guys can see, it has been uploaded. It says uploading, so you need to wait for some time. But as you guys can see in the top, it has already been uploaded. So as you guys can see, my profile picture has been changed into a video. So that's how you guys can put a video as your TikTok profile picture. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye, until then, have a nice day.